Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I have prepared 12 features and tips concerning the keyboard on your iPhone. Now for this I'm going to go to the messages, alright, and try to write down a new message. Now the first one is when you tap on this icon available here, alright, you can change the language of the keyboard, alright. But in case you wanted to do it faster or quicker, just tap and hold, right, and then you can move between different options of languages available here, and even the emojis which is available here as well. Now the second one, as you can see, all right, you've maybe noticed that you can go to the keyboard settings right from here, all right, just tap and hold and then hold on the keyboard settings, and you can quickly go to the keyboard settings, because sometimes, all right, we want to change like a specific setting on the keyboard concerning the keyboard. I mean, that is the quickest way to do. Now I'm gonna go to the messages again, all right, and then go for the third one. The third we can say feature or tip for today is, now you can have different kinds of like keyboards. Now tap and hold again, right, tap and hold, and then tap on this one. Now what is this? You can use it when you have like something on your left hand and you can only use your right hand so that your fingers reach all the letters, okay? So you can do this. Now to go back again to the normal keyboard, just tap on this arrow here, all right, or you can do this again and then tap on the middle one. Now if you're having like something in your right hand and you can only use your left hand for like texting or writing something, you can choose this one, right, and then go back again to the normal one. All right, now the fourth one is actually when we write down something. Now I'm going to go for try, for example, okay? Now as you can see, only the T letter is in capital letter. Now when okay, what is the solution if I want to write down something, I mean, in capital letter, I mean every single letter? Now double tap, all right, double tap here, or we can say double tap on this icon here, and then you will have everything in capital. Okay, now the fifth feature for today is, which is like most interesting one actually. Now tap and hold, go to the keyboard settings and tap on the second option, which is text replacement. Now I'm going to delete this one and then redo it again. So what is this one? Actually, this one is very important for those like who want to like use a shortcut instead of writing down something. Sometimes we can say long, for example, an email address. Okay, so I'm going to go for like the channel name, just for we can say instance. Okay, all right, and then the shortcut. Now I'm going to go with double exclamation mark, right, and then save. Now going back to the messages, right, and then let's try now. Double tap, double exclamation mark, and then you have the name available here, and that's it. Now most of the people, as I told you, use it for the email addresses or something that they use it like we can say constantly. Now feature number 6 is, as you can see, I just swiped and then everything is written here. Instead of like tapping every single letter, you can swipe and then you will have that word, okay, written on the keyboard. Now let's move to like we can say feature number 7. Now for this I'm going to go to the Safari, right, and then show you what I mean. Okay, now when we go to the Safari and go for like a specific we can say website, all right, so for example I have Apple here. Now instead of like writing down .com, now just tap and hold on the dot here and then you will have more than one option. Now .us, net, edu, org, com, and the rest. Okay, let's move to the we can say okay, feature, or we can say tip number 8. All right, now you have this icon here, the 1 2 3 icon available here. All right, tap on that one, then you will move to the symbols and the numbers, and tap on the one like above that one again, you will have the rest of the symbols. But in case that you want to do it like faster, okay, just tap and hold and then move, right, and then choose the one that you want. Choose the symbol, right, the symbol that you want or the number that you want. Okay, feature number 9, or we could say tip number 9 is, now, of course, for different accents, different languages, all right, or we could say different usages. Now, tap and hold like we could say a specific letter, and then you will have more than one option available here, okay? Now, I'm going to go for this one, okay? Now, the E, as you can see now, I have different letter E, different E's here available, all right? And then you can use the one that you want. And this is not only for the letters, okay? Now, even for the symbols, as you can see, now I have different currencies available here, not only the dollar one. Now, feature number 10 is something concerning the emojis, all right? Now, when we use emojis, sometimes some of them, all right, you can tap and hold, and then you will have different skin tones, all right? Yeah, different skin tones, just tap and hold, and then use the one that you want. Okay, the one before the last is you can shake, all right, to undo, right? Yeah, just shake to undo the typing. All right, and the last one, feature number 12, right? When you write down something and you've missed, like for example, you missed to write down a letter or something, or you want to change, the thing that you have already written, right? Just tap and hold the space, and then the cursor can go, where you want, right? So if I want to change something here, right, just do that. Instead of doing this, all right, and moving the cursor like this, okay, this is easier. Just tap and hold on the space here, and then you can move the cursor wherever you want, all right? So that's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far. Leave us a comment, and see you guys next time.